just had the most perfection dream. Joey Jaws, the American hero, an inspiration for every dog around the world. Daddy, time to wake you up. Time for a quick down dog stretch. Daddy, get up!
You are up early, Cookie. You're so precious. Time for breakfast.
Why am I eating now? Did my human forget that today is July 4th? We have a hot dog eating contest today. I will be too full to win now.
Quick post-meal playtime. Then we need to go get some Glizzies.
Did he remember? Playtime now, compete later. Whee! Whee!
Great job, baby girl. Let's roll out.
I know, this place, is it?
Oh yeah, it is. Are you ready to use these paws and go into your favorite store?
Empty street where the
Oh yeah,
lines all
these paws go up and down for Walmart time.
Bit the wind like grab loose change, jangling in a paper bag.
Hi there, excuse me.
Big talking
Out of the heat, time to find
Just a
wieners.
crack on the asphalt stone. Lean a little where the wild things
Cooks
grow.
this way, I think.
Step, step,
I will sniff them out.
shuffling,
Walmart is the
half-turn
best,
spin.
always leaving things on the ground for me.
Feel the daylight under your skin. Feel the pocket where the loose change sits. Tap the rhythm with your fingertips.
Got the scent, follow me.
Roll your shoulders like a slow wave.
This way, hurry, they could sell out.
Let the hum escape your chest low in. Clap once, twice, let the echo thin. Then
Wow,
do
you
it
found
all
them.
over once
Classic
again.
wieners. Cookie, get down.
I like to sniff hands, feet, and butts.
Ghost.
I can smell the Glizzy's cooking. No water, need empty tummy. Daddy, are we ready?
Cookie, time for the walkout of our American hero, Joey Jaws. Come watch.
For he is the champion of now and always, of the air, of the fire, of the sea, of the land of the free, of one nation, Joey Jaws!
Honey buns, come watch me beat Daddy. I need your support and cheering for me. I have never done this before.
Glizzies are ready. 4 dogs for me and 5 doggy glizzes with cheese for you.
Ready. It is game time. Let's roll. First dog. Whoops. Now I got it. Shoot. This is harder than it looks on TV. Come on, get in my belly. I know I can do it. Gosh, save that one for later. Oh no, Daddy is through 1 dog already. Again, I will just leave it there. Time for cheese. I know how to eat that. Come on, cooks, get this dog down. Did it. I am on a roll now. I am beating Daddy.
Cookie, let's go! You got this, girl! Cookie wins!
Our new undisputed champ, Cookie, who proves short legs and big ears will never hold her back.
Yikes! Oh no! Why? To the safe room!
Champ, it is okay. The world is celebrating your win and Joey Jaws' win this afternoon. Just think happy thoughts. It will be over soon.
Whoa. I am out of here to my safe place.
Little girl, our big champion. You need something soft to lay on? Here, baby.
Thanks. Is this to hide under? It is not working. Daddy, I got this all under control. This is not working. Maybe if I bury my nose in it. Nope, didn't work. New idea. Almost got it. Hey pal, you lost to me today. Get your own bathtub.